Hello guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Advance Happy Mother's Day! So, Happy Mother's Day to all mothers out there.
And today, we will going to have a Mother's Day greetings for our mom.
So, today let's start with James!
So, happy Mother's Day to all of mom in the world and especially to my mother.
Pwede magtagalog.
Ayoko.
Okay.
Ay, nakatulog.
Yan, so, happy Mother's Day nga sa lahat ng mga nanay. Sa nanay ko, nanay namin. So, happy Mother's Day po sa inyo. At, thank you po sa lahat ng
Lahat?
sa pag-aalaga niyo sa amin araw-araw. Kahit pinapagalitan niyo kami, alam namin mahal na mahal niyo po kami. So, yun lang po.
Ilan ba nanay mo?
So, Happy Mother's Day to all mothers out there. Especially, syempre, sa aking mom, sa aking auntie, and syempre kay Mamu. So, kilala nyo naman si Mamu, right? So, Happy Mother's Day to all. I just want to say thank you for everything, lalo na sa mother ko na sacrifice ang everything niya for me. So, ayun lang. Wala na akong gustong sabihin dahil alam niya na yun.
Yun.
Love you, ma.
Okay, so, yun.
Yun! Ano, nakakaiyak?
Hello. Happy Mother's Day to everyone, especially to my family.
Yun!
Mamu, Tita Jack, and ano mo yun? Tita Ina. Tita Ina and my mom, they're the one who supported me in all my dance competition kahit alam nila na gusto ko lang talagang magpasikat and all. And thank you for giving us the best life even though hindi nila naranasan yung ganitong buhay noon because life was so hard back then and now they want us to experience something better. Yes.
Nakakaiyak.
Oh my God.
Hindi na ako nanay pero nakakaiyak. Wala. Ay, nakatulog. Okay. Last. Janice.
Happy Mother's Day to all mothers, especially Mamu, Mama, and Tita Ina.
Ay, si Mami.
Si Mami wala?
Ay, and especially Mami. Thank you for supporting me in my recognition day. Because of you three, because of you four, I became an honor student.
Wow.
Sila nagsagot no.
Sila nag...
Kami kasi sila si mga
Grabe
nagsagot
naman kayo
ng
sa akin.
ano eh.
Okay, tuloy.
Go.
Ay, natulog.
Ay, nakatulog.
Ano yung nasa sinabi ka?
Na-air,
Ayan, sa kanila.
Dahil
sila
sa kanila,
yung
naging
reason
honor
kung ba't ka
student
naging
ka.
honor student.
Yan. Sila yung reason kung bakit ako naging honor student. At
Ay,
sila
ulit.
din yung reason kung ano yun?
Nasaan script mo dyan na?
Ay,
Tingin nga ako, mabasa ka.
sila din yung dahilan kung kaya ako nandito.
Oh, thank you guys.
Ay, si mama lang pala.
Ay!
Kasi, wala ba sila pangalan sa akin eh.
Wala pala sila dito.
Ano na lang, salamat. Kay mama na lang ito muna.
Oh.
Salamat mama sa pagagawa lahat para sa akin lang. Ma'am.
Sa lahat ng pagmamahal ba?
Awa, sa lahat ng ginawa mo para sa akin ba?
So, ayan, nakakayak naman yung read mo.
Medyo
Parang,
nagagagal.
hindi ko alam kung saan papunta yan, pero okay na yon. So, again, advance Happy Mother's Day to all mothers out there. We love you very, very much, guys, and woman is powerful.
Yun!
So, ayun lang, guys. That's all. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And don't forget to visit aina.com and buy a cup or coffee. Bye, guys!
Bye-bye!
Happy Mother's Day again.
Happy Advance Mother's Day! Tomorrow is the Mother's